Fixing a blurry photo in Affinity Photo takes less than a minute, and we are going to do it right now using a live Unsharp mask filter. First, drag your image into the workspace and zoom in closely on the blurry areas so you can see the pixel details clearly as we adjust them. Move your cursor over to the top menu bar and click on the word Filters. From the drop-down menu, hover over New Live Filters layer, move across to Sharpen, and click on Unsharp Mask. A control box will pop up on your screen with 3 separate sliders, but we only need to focus on 2 of them to get a crisp result. The important thing is how these settings interact with each other. Look at the top slider labeled Radius. This control determines the specific size of the details that the software is going to sharpen. If you slide this too far to the right, you will start to see ugly, glowing edges around your subject. So keep it small for fine details like hair or text. Right below that, you will see the factor slider, which controls the actual strength of the sharpness. Click and pull this factor slider to the right gradually until the image looks crisp and natural. Now, that goes both ways when it comes to image quality. The catch with this tool is that if your original photo has a lot of digital background noise or grain, sharpening the image will also make that ugly background noise much louder and more noticeable. In my case, the image looks clean, so we can keep these settings. Once you are happy with the details, simply click the small X in the top corner of the control box to close it. Because we used a live filter layer, you can always double-click the filter icon in your layers panel on the right side of the screen to change these numbers later. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.